Hello student, welcome in online lecture series. I am Dr. Basep Tambe, Assistant Professor in KTHM College, Nasik in Geography Department. Today we are going to start another one important subtopic in the settlement geography subject. It is affecting factor on rural settlement. First one, environmental and physical factor. Among the environmental and physical factor, house type is mostly affected by the isolation, direction of prevailing wind and the amount of rainfall. In areas of extreme climate condition, houses are constructed in such a manner so that they keep the interior cool in summer and warm in during winter. To combat these types of climatic condition, thick mud wall is needed, but window for cross ventilation is not at all considered necessary. In the areas receiving heavy rainfall, the roofs are generally gable shape. Although with the decreasing amount of rainfall, the roof also tend towards flat. Thus, it may be said that a house is transmissional of a complex relationship between man and environment and reflect the direct influence of ecology. In rural areas, these fundamental issues are more apparent. Social, economical, and geographical conditions are combined to process an architecture on which fashion of style play little or no part. The impact of these various factors on the different houses of rural house type is as follows. The mountainous areas availability of sunlight is very important determining factor. As the sunny slope is naturally favored, houses are often situated on the south facing slope. In the northern hemisphere, in the lesser Himalaya belt, the house is naturally built on spur jutting out from the hillside. This site is well drained, dry, as well as safe from landslide and avalanches. The availability of the safe and sufficient drinking water for both human and domestic animal also control the location of settlement. The houses from the settlement, the simple and the most complex, are always located close to the source of water. Proximity to the fertile land is also taken into consideration. In hilly areas, land is chosen in such a way that terracing can be done without much difficulty. Again, rural dwellings are usually contiguous and compact, as it ensures safely. Therefore, while selecting lands and housing sites, surplus land is always kept in reserve so that more houses can be constructed when population increases in the course of time. The structure of houses is generally influenced by nature and degree of precipitation. In India, housing is the areas receiving heavy rainfall, like in Konkan region, have steeply sloped roofed. These are also constructed in such a manner that the veranda of the open space in front of this house gains protection from rainfall. In the region where rainfall is less and areas are dry, flat roofs are common. For example, Punjab region or Rajasthan. In areas of high temperature and opening in the houses are kept to a minimum. A thick wall with slit like windows prevent the sun's heat from entering the house, keep the interior cool. Verandas are also common features of rural settlement in hot sunny region. The semi tidal areas. Houses are built on stilts to escape floating during the rise the tidal water. It a common feature of certain parts of Assam. Stilts are also common in areas infested with wild animal and a security measure. The layout of the house is more influenced by the functions of economic and social factor rather than the physiographic ones. However, environment sometimes have indirect influence over the house type. In Bengal, for example, a dwelling house or home shell is composed of four hunt facing central courtyard with a pond somewhere at the back. This pond is a source of main building material, that is mud. Socio-economical factor. Economic factor playing more important role in deciding the grandeur of the building and its location with respect of to the importance of village site. The best built house is in the village belong to the chief, which is more decorated and greater height than a commoner house. The complexity structure indicate the elevated position of the chief in the society. This disparity is the observed in every village in India in the contrast between the house of the upper class and lower class is thus very conspicuous. Economic factor play the upper of The upper class house occupy better position and use more durable or expansive material like brick, wooden beam, etc. They are located in the well drained site. On the contrary, the house of the poor and are built with the inferior material and located in the flood prone trace or undrained swampy areas. Social and religion factor influence both the overall layout, the structure as well as the choosing the site. In Kumayu or Garhwal Hill, the houses site selected by the village prestige. Caste in India and other important social factor are determined the site of rural house. Members of this small caste usually build their house adjoining each other's. The lower caste, scheduled caste, lives in areas far from the area occupies higher caste, that is a village proper. Again, the social value and pres- perception of private space varies between societies. It is observed in the small tribal some tribal societies, that is that the entire village may live in a long hunt or all the young boys lives in communal dormitory. Levels of technological development with the advent of times, level of technology development play an important role in determining the site, building material as well as the overall structure of the house. In India, as asbestos or or corrugate sheet have replaced tiles or that mud or wattle is being replaced by brick or stone. Similarly, there is a structural change in the ability house ability slowly. Though through land reclamation and draining, a number of marginal sites are being used today. Also, rather than the traditional site, modern ones like proximity to roadways or railways or irrigation canal in become more important. These are some examples. For example, in Konyak division, on the slope of the Coromandel hill, Mulwa people live in square shaped hut. On Malwa plateau, stone houses are common. In northern Karnataka, single room circular house with dome roof is more prominent. Okay, in Madhya Pradesh, Gond people make parallel linear house on both side of the road. Okay, in the Kangra Valley, the rural houses are found apart. The walls of their houses are made up of wood or stone, while the roof is made up of this slate. Building material used in rural area. Geologically and generally physiography play a very important role in deciding the natural of building material. As far as building materials are concerned, these can be grouped under two categories: building material used for wall. These are mud, stone, bricks, timber, and wattle. Building material used for wall. These are building material used for roof, tiles, thatch, mud, stone, wood, bricks, tin, and other material. Thank you. Thank you very much.